Plant Therapy's Energy Synergy was created by our team of certified aromatherapists to boost your mind and body. This synergy serves up a crisp, citrusy get-up-and-go aroma with a slight floral note. A simple inhale is all you need for a mind and body kickstart in the morning, before workout, during the workout, or any time you need it. This synergy provides an excellent, lively, spirit-lifting atmosphere at home or at work. When you start feeling your motivation or energy drop, using Energy Synergy will give you the natural boost to keep you going. My 3 favorite ways to use Energy Synergy are: 1, to put a few drops on the shower floor in the morning. This really awakens my senses to help me get going. 2, adding a few drops to my body lotion or spray when I need some extra motivation throughout the day. And 3, in a roller bottle applied to my wrist and inhaled throughout the day when needed. For an easy, energizing body lotion, try this DIY recipe. You will need a 4-ounce jar or airtight container, 2 ounces of shea butter, 2 ounces of sunflower oil, and 25 drops of Energy Synergy. Mix with a hand mixer until smooth and creamy. I have some already mixed right here. Transfer the lotion into the airtight jar or container. This energizing body lotion will not only help give you the energizing boost you need, but will also leave your skin feeling soft and smooth. We all need a little more energy, whether it is to wake us up in the morning or keep us going when we hit a lull in the afternoon. Plant Therapy's Energy Synergy will give you that energized boost you need in a safe and natural way.